In this video, we're going to show you how to manually uninstall WordPress from cPanel. So we'll begin by logging into cPanel of the domain you wish to uninstall cPanel with. And we'll start by removing the databases associated with WordPress. So we'll click on MySQL Databases. And then you can click Delete to remove the database, and click Delete Database. Then click Go Back, and we'll remove the database user. So we'll click Delete, Delete User, and Go Back. Now the databases are deleted. We'll go to File Manager, double click on public_HTML, and we'll select all the files, assuming that WordPress is the only thing installed on this site, and click Delete. And click Confirm, and that's it. WordPress and all the associated files have been deleted. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below.